Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the keyboard theme on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now, if you want to change the theme of the keyboard of your Samsung phone, first of all, just go to your home screen, then open the Google Play Store. Now in the search bar, just search this. Then install this app on your smartphone. Then tap on Open. From here, just tap on Continue. Then tap on Get Started. From here, tap on Activate Keyboard. Then tap on OK. Now just enable the toggle for this keyboard and select OK. After that, just go back and tap on Select Remy Keyboard. Then select the keyboard which we have downloaded. From here, just tap on Get Started. Now to change the keyboard theme, just select any theme from the available over here. For an example, I will select this one. Then tap on Watch Video to get free. And as you can see, we have successfully changed the theme of the keyboard of our Samsung phone. And there are many other keyboard theme styles you can choose from. And this is how you can change the keyboard theme on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.